Uh-oh. Alright. Praying the audio works this time. For the... God knows however many times I've tried this. I know I have been posted in 2 months? I think 3. I really don't know. It's been a few months. Sorry, this mic. It's not that I don't want to post. It's not that I hate posting. It's just this whole mic thing is such a hassle, dude. Like, I've tried, I kid you not, and I have receipts for every single mic I've tried. I've tried like 5 or 6 mics, and I mean, you guys have seen the mics. But I can only do so much in editing to fix the mic, but it's just not. I don't understand that, you know. Motovlogging is just new to me. It sucks. It really does suck. But I don't really. I've tried everything. I've done it all. I have used presets. I've used like a DJI Mic 2. I've used the new Mic Mini. I literally have the whole bundle that comes with the 2 mics and the transmitter. I don't think that's called the transmitter. I don't know. And nothing works. I've used the Road Lavalier Go. I've used the Panda, whatever the hell it's called. I've done the whole 9 yards, you know. And it's just like, I don't care, but you know, y'all aren't gonna watch something. I don't even know if this is working. You know, I'm just chatting. Y'all aren't gonna watch something you don't understand. I for sure wouldn't watch it. You know, the quality's good. I've got the quality down. I have a DJI Action 4 and a DJI Action 5 Pro. Right now, I'm using the 5 Pro. It's a really good camera. You know, I'm not sponsored or anything. That's just genuinely my opinion. In the beginning, it wasn't good, but I had Will Kid Hill. He narrowed down the settings for me, and now it just looks amazing. You know. So camera's fine. I just got to get that mic narrowed down. Everyone uses the DJI Mic 2, and they all swear by it. This is my second time using it. I mean, I doubt it's going to be any different. Really, I really do doubt it. But maybe I'll get proved wrong. Why are there so many cops out today, dude? But yeah, that's mainly why I haven't been posting the past 2 months, 3 months. I really don't know how long it's been. But yeah, if you guys know any mics or anything I can do to lose the wind noise and make it like so you can hear me, I'd appreciate really any help. I have the Pista GP RR. Obviously it's a track helmet, you know. It's not made for moto vlogging, but I've seen all the big names, you know, they do it just fine. But if it comes down to it, I am highly debating getting an X15 again, because I used to have an X15. Widest helmet, best helmet ever, you know, like I love that thing. But I ended up trading it for another Pista, which I then sold. Because, you know, no one's gonna buy the used X15, but the girl that had the Pista, she's like, yeah, I just don't like it. So I ended up trading a used X15 for a brand new Pista that I sold for like $1,100, you know, which is what I paid for that X15, so I got all my money back. I think that was around the time when I got that damage on my bike from that U-Haul, the tire went out. But there's a video on that, but you're not really gonna understand much, to be honest. But yeah, I don't really know. Like I wanna make this work. I really do. Like I enjoy riding. I don't care for the motovlogging. I don't care for the recording. But you know, if I influence someone to ride safely, that's, you know, that works too. But I'm not out here really. Like I have a job. I have a day job. I'm not doing this for the money. I'm generally just doing this for the passion. You know, some people start motovlogging just to go famous, and once they go famous, they're like, oh my god, they go Hollywood on everybody. You know, that's just not what I'm about. I'm not trying to. I don't want to make a quick buck and go Hollywood on everyone. Like, genuinely just good recording to record. That's why, like, I'm not going out of my way to try to make it work. Like, you know, if the mic works, it works. If it doesn't work, you know, what do you do? Like, I'm not gonna lose any sleep over it. You know, I'd be happy if it worked, but I'm not gonna sit here and spend like all my time trying to make a mic work that just doesn't want to work. Like, it's not the camera, obviously, but I mean, I've tried everything. I've tried a USB-C mic without the adapter, because you know the DJIs, you need a mic adapter if you want to use the 3.5mm aux cord. That didn't work. I tried it with the 3.5mm, which is the Rode Lavalier Go. That didn't work. I tried the Panda mic, the Lavalier mic. That did not work either. I don't know. Like, to me, it just seems like it's not really meant to be. But you know, again, if it really does just keep sucking, pause. You know, I'll keep using this. If it works, it works. If it doesn't work, you know, sorry. I can't say I didn't try, but I'm done spending money on mics. Like, that's we're done. No more of that. That's breaking so far. Man, these people don't know how to drive. No one knows how to drive. What the? He's so far back! Yeah, that's my little rant. Really, I don't have anything else to talk about. I don't even know what I'm gonna title this video. I'm probably just gonna title it "Motovlogging Sucks," because I don't know, like, it genuinely just sucks. It's like a maze trying to figure out how to record, you know? I thought it was just as easy as getting a mic, putting on a little camera, chin mount, boom, you're good to go. No. You gotta have the right helmet, you gotta have the right settings, you gotta have the right mic. Apparently not any mic works, you know. I'm using a $400 mic right now, and I have another $300 mic sitting at home. Man, there's just so much that goes into it, and it's just so, like, I want help, I really do. If for whatever reason, one of y'all big boys are watching the video this far into the video, if you have a Pista and you motovlog, what do you do? You know, what are you using? How are you using it? Like, the Mic 2 that I have has oh my god, the wind muff that comes with it. Am I supposed to use something else? Did I like miss that chapter in the book where it's okay, use this mic and this is how to use it? I will literally take any help that I can get, because I'm so tired of playing the guessing game. So tired. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for coming to the rant, because, you know, don't know what to talk about. I don't understand that concept either. We're working on it though. But yeah, appreciate you guys for watching. If you did watch until the end. And I'll see you guys in the next one, whatever that may be.